Arizona. I can meet you in the country, but the cowboys don't like me there. I can meet you in Pahala, but we don't have the collar. We will find another way. I will see you one day. I got an idea, and I think it might work. Don't you worry, my little Hawaiian girl, we will make it all work. We can take the high road over Waimea. It's the old road that leads you to Kohala. Just past the Poniolo store, I'll meet you in the middle. Don't stop to smell the flowers, don't stop at the bay, or we won't have any time now to see you today. Don't take too long now, we have until sundown. I will wait for you all day, until you find your own way. We can take the day off, or we could go to work. Don't you worry, my little Hawaiian girl, we will make it all work. If you see the ocean, you went too far. I'm just before the Kava bar, with Christmas lights in a coconut tree. That's where we meet, in the middle.
So we got the fuel filter changed, both of them, and got it primed. That's good to go. And the gator belt is on. This is really easy to do. The book tells you to tear it apart, but you don't have to do that. Just put a screwdriver in here and then turn it over by hand, or or crank it, or whatever you want to do. I suggest use your hand, and the belt will fall off. And then slide it off, put a new one on, and then get it started, and then have someone crank it over, and boom, the belt goes on by itself. It's real simple. In and out. Easy day.
In the middle.